So for today's juice, we're going to be starting our clear skin series, you guys. I used to struggle with really bad acne. I'm talking about complete face covered. Juicing definitely helped to save my skin, and I stand by that because it's so true. What products didn't do, juicing did for me. So we're going to drink a green juice and then an orange juice every single day on an empty stomach to see how our skin reacts. So for today's juice recipe, we have a simple 4-ingredient juice which includes cucumber, mint, ginger, and key lime. I was gonna do solely cucumber juice, but I decided to add in some other things. The cucumber in itself will help to really replenish your skin in a lot of ways. And I know most people are used to hearing about celery juice for clear skin, but cucumber juice is that girl too, okay? Cucumber is 96% water, so it's going to hydrate your skin if nothing else. But these ingredients are also extremely anti-inflammatory. They are full of vitamin C that help to reduce any inflammation in the skin, would help against free radicals that are damaging your skin. So this is a really good simple juice recipe. Now there's nothing sweet in here. It's not going to be like a super strong, super earthy green juice because the cucumber we know is really light in flavor. Like we said, it's mostly water, but it is going to be a green juice that is going to pack a slight punch, especially with this ginger. So let's go ahead and get juicing. I might take some of the skin off of these cucumbers just because I don't think that they were organic. You want to really try your best to get organic produce while you're juicing if you can. Let's just go ahead and take this off. Take off the ends. I'm just gonna, y'all just pretend like I'm not bending down. I'm just gonna bend down because I see that I should have moved the camera up a little higher. Like I said, not all of it. We'll leave it a little bit on because your skin actually has a lot of benefits. I probably don't even need to cut the ends of these cucumbers off, but I'm just so used to doing it when I go to eat them that I just always do it. So we won't even cut the other end off. I love the smell of cucumber. I just love cucumbers. I think that's what it is. Look at my hair, y'all. Y'all, I did my hair yesterday. Please don't laugh at it. I tried to do my little pixie cut and it came out looking a mess. Like, I look like an old grandma named Irma Jean. Like, this looks a mess, you guys. Okay, so now we are good to juice. There you have it. Hopefully this makes 32 ounces of juice. I would like a full jar, so we'll see. Y'all, I was about to go put this stuff under here and I realized that the main part of the juicer isn't even in the juicer. So let's pause. So this is what's called the agar, I think it's agar, and this is what does all the pulverizing, whatever you want to call it. So we need that. All right, now here we go. This is our Namawell juicer, and as you can see, this juicer is wonderful because you can just put the stuff in, load it in, big pieces. As you saw, those cucumbers were barely cut, and then you can just walk away and do whatever you want to do. So I don't got nothing to do right now, so I'm here. This juice smells so good. I'm a little sad because, as you can see, it only made 16 ounces of juice, which is, that's a good, nice single daily serving. I wanted a nice full 32-ounce jar, but clearly we don't have that. So it's looking like a 16-ounce serving. And I know this doesn't look like 16 ounces, but it is. So here's our green juice. Oh, it's a little too bright over here, but let me show you guys my skin first. Okay, this is the skin. Sorry, my dog just went and grabbed them toys, so let's do a little taste. Oh, that ginger hit. I feel like if there was a green apple in this, it would be delicious, but there's no sweetness, so you get what you get. Drink up. Cheers, y'all. So that is it for our first video of this clear skin series. I will see you guys for the next juicing recipe. Make sure that you subscribe down below. See you later.